Yeah, welcome here from COPETRI Convention in Frankfurt, or in Offenbach, close to Frankfurt. And I'm standing here with Matthias Walter. And I know Matteas now for, I think, 5 to 6 years already. So we have been working together in former times. He's on the one hand the inventor of the Platform Innovation Kit, a design toolkit for platforms, as the name says. And on the other hand, actually he has built up a company for startup venturing, so to build startups for corporates. And so Matthias, we both kind of are, I would not say experts here on this conference, but mainly we have here a conference for HR and organization people. So the question is, our topics, platforms and ecosystems, how do they fit to these kind of conferences? What do you think?
Hi, Julian. Nice to meet you again here.
Actually, we met last week.
In Barcelona, yes, and now we are here in Frankfurt again. And I think this kind of conference with a speciality on HR, it's a great fit to our topic. So with ecosystem platforms, and why that? Because a lot of corporates, the big companies, they have to reinvent themselves. They have to reinvent their own business models. And what is important to do that? The people. So you need the right people, the right entrepreneurial mindset, the entrepreneurial skills to do that. And that's why they are here, to learn more. And here we can also a bit more showcase to the people your methodology, our methodology, and both methodologies together help the people to better understand what are ecosystems, what are platforms, what are the new types of business models, how to reinvent. Started from a strategic point of view, but also from a business model point of view. So I think it's a great fit.
And you just mentioned it. There are a lot of corporates here, once again with a focus of HR and transformation. But I think that's one key issue, that at least the people within the companies who can drive the wheel from the HR perspective, they are here. And the question is, what is your recommendation for them if they want to start thinking about the topics you just mentioned?
How to start, the first step should be always to create a shared language, a shared understanding, and methodologies and tools like ours are a great fit to do that, because it helps the people to understand the concept of platforms, the concept of ecosystems. They can play around with no harm to the real business, so they can play around. And then for the executive teams, but also for the, let's say, the operational people, they create a shared understanding. So in the last weeks, for example, we have worked together with a bigger corporate, and then they also started to build up an own glossary, an own translation of this topic into their own corporate world. So I think it's a great start using a methodology, and then form your own thinking.
Cool. And now maybe ultimate question. So what are your key takeaways, your key lessons learned so far for this conference? So how do you evaluate that?
I'm really impressed with the whole fair, or with the whole conference here. A lot of people here, and they are all interested in the topics. And what I really like is the whole workshops. The whole there's a lot of workshops, a lot of master classes, so you can try and try out things. You learn a lot of stuff. I think this is something they do much better than other conferences, when you only listen to people, and here you can really try out things. And I think then the takeaways for the people is much better.
Cool, and we both will have workshops later on, so we can experience that by ourselves, so how the feedback will be. We will share that. So thanks for watching. Thanks, Matthias.
Thanks, Julian.